Hello and welcome to How to Play Calypso, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Calypso. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 4 players divided into 2 teams. To play, you will need 4 52 card decks. The 4 decks are shuffled together. Each player is dealt 13 cards, 1 card at a time. The remaining deck is placed to the side. The object of the game is to make calypsos. A calypso is a complete run of 13 cards of the same suit from ace down to 2. Each player has their own personal trump suit. In this game, Player A is spades, Player B is clubs, Player C is hearts, and Player D is diamonds. Cards are taken through tricks. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The winner of the trick will use the cards taken to build their calypso or help their partner build their calypso. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer is first to play to the first trick. Player B leads the 7 of spades. Play moves clockwise left to player C. Players must play a card in the same suit that was led if possible. Player C follows suit with the king of spades. Play moves to player D, who plays the 5 of spades. Play moves to player A, who plays the 2 of spades. Player C wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. Because the cards can be used to start player C's partner's calypso, player C will give the cards to player A, and player A will start their calypso pile. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player C leads the king of clubs. The other players each follow suit by playing a club. Player A wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. Since player A and their teammate do not need clubs, these taken cards are placed in a pile next to the player's calypso. Because every player has a different personal trump suit, determining who wins a trick can get a little complex. Here are the different scenarios. If a player leads their personal trump, that player will win the trick if everyone else follows suit. Here, player A leads a card in their personal trump suit of spades. Everyone follows suit and player A wins the trick. The ranks of the cards do not matter here. If a player leads a suit that is not their personal trump suit, that suit becomes the lead suit and the trick is won by the player with the highest ranking card in the lead suit when every player follows suit. Here, player A leads the 2 of diamonds, everyone follows suit, and player B wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. Note that if a player leads a player's personal trump suit, that player cannot trump it. Player D has diamonds as a personal trump suit, but the 6 of diamonds played by player D in this trick is not considered trump because diamonds was led by player A. When a player cannot follow the lead suit, that player can play any card. If that player plays a card of their personal trump suit, the player with the highest ranking personal trump suited card wins the trick. Here, player A has led the personal trump suit of spades, and player B and C have followed suit. Player D cannot follow suit and plays their personal trump suited card, the 6 of diamonds. The 4 of spades and the 6 of diamonds are trump cards in this trick, and the 6 wins the trick for outranking the 4. If a player leads a suit that is not their personal trump suit, and a player cannot follow suit, they can play any card. If that player plays a card of their personal trump suit, the player with the highest ranking personal trump suited card wins the trick. Here, player A has led with diamonds. Player C cannot follow suit and plays their trump suited jack of hearts. Player D has to follow the diamonds led. But their 6 of diamonds is not considered trump in this trick because diamonds was led by another player. Player C wins this trick. A player that cannot follow suit can choose to play any card and is not required to play trump. Here, player D cannot follow suit and decides to play a heart. Player A wins this trick with the only trump suited card in the trick. If the trick is being taken by two identical cards or by personal trumps of different suits but equal rank, the player that played their card first will take the trick. A player can only build one Calypso at a time. If a duplicate card is won, it has to go to the player's unused one cards pile. If a player completes a Calypso, the completed Calypso is set aside and any other personal trump cards from that trick can be used to start a new Calypso. When a round is over, the deck moves to the player left of the last dealer. This player will deal another round of 13 cards to each player. Once 4 rounds are completed, players will add up their scores. Teams will score for completed Calypsos, cards in incomplete Calypsos, and cards in their unused one cards pile. Each partner's first completed Calypso is worth 500 points. Each partner's second Calypso is worth 750 points. Any additional Calypsos are worth 1,000 points each. Each card in an incomplete Calypso is worth 20 points. Each card in a player's unused one card pile is worth 10 points. Player A and Player C each had one completed Calypso for 500 points each. Only Player B on Team 2 had a completed Calypso for 500 points. Team 1 together had 18 cards in their incomplete Calypsos for 360 points. Team 2 had 13 cards in their incomplete Calypsos for 260 points. Both teams count their unused one card piles and get 10 points for each card. The points are totaled and the team with the most points wins the game. That wraps up How to Play Calypso. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.